Hey guys! So I found this game online called Washing Machines. Let's get washing! So the internet might be really bad because, as I said in my last video, Telstra is bailing on us. Sorry. See what's in store for today. Yeah. Fly in the air. Fly in the air. Ooh, cool. How do you make these see-through blocks? Yeah, there is definitely sun out there. We're just in a giant space, so I know. Let's walk in here. What's this? This is the bottom. Oh yes, we're going in. We're going in. Okay, so I probably shouldn't have done this. Because, just like, literally, what just happened? Hang on a sec. Sorry, just a thing. Oh my, holy, oh my god. Holy. So you see my cute little rabbit face just dying in here? No. It says upgrading Roblox Studio. Cancel. Okay. Oh my god, this is making me motion sick. Oh, ragdoll. Let's go ragdoll. Holy, that just makes it worse. Let me out. Oh my god, how long does this thing go? Wait, let me oh my god, no. What the hell? This is so bad. Help me. It smells like a minute long. That's it, I'm going ragdoll. Look at my body, it's stuck in another man's. Oh, this is not appropriate for kids. I'm just poking my body through the other one. That is so weird. Are we finished now? Oh, this is so weird. Yes, draining water. Let me out. No. Don't get me stuck in it. No, don't get me stuck in it. Oh, someone lost their arm. Hey, let's see if we can lose our arm too. Why don't we go in one of these? Holy. It's going here. Oh, not that's going here. No, someone push me in! Oh yes, I got out just in time. So, let's see if we... Oh, this looks jumpable. Whoa. I never realized that. There is a secret opening. Whoa. Okay. Let's try it on this one. What's this one? This is just another washing machine. A private washing machine. Please enter the washing machine. Ragdoll. Ow. My head is stuck. So it's his velocity. Oh my god, velocity 100 already. This goes for a minute. And it is super glitchy right now. The thing just stopped. Ooh. Oh, what just happened there? It exploded me. Since all of these are open, I'm going ragdoll mode. Oh, you can move. You can move on ragdoll. And ceiling, airlock. My body is half in and half out. Okay. I'm gonna lose all my limbs. Losing. Have I already lost the limb? Oh, there's my little bunny limb lost. Holy. Hopefully these ones don't explode as well. But let's look in the chat while we're waiting. Clean, tic-tac. Ticky-tac. Ticky. Sticky-tac. Yeet. Ticky-tac. Let me out, let me out. Oh, yes, it's slowing down. So I've already lost a limb. This is good. This is good. And I'm flying now. This is good. Let me get in here. Shut my head on the door, just like every normal person does. Wait, what if we go inside? I'm gonna unragdoll myself. I want to go inside. Oh, I died. I died again. Why did this person do the same thing as me? Okay, but let's see if we can survive this. See if we can survive the death machine. Just clock myself up the back. Just put myself up the back and let's see if I survive. So I think the point is to survive is to not spin around. No, I didn't make it. I'm in first person right now. Okay, let's have one more crack at this. One more crack at this. And oh, I forgot to press the button. Oh my god, I forgot to press the button. Write down in comments if you actually got this. I think we should go like this because if my head starts spinning around, it's bad. So I'm gonna make it not. Did that actually work? Did that actually work? I'm still spinning. That actually worked. I'm still spinning. Error. It's going so fast. No. I got what? This is how the outside is? Whoa. Let's see if any of these are. Let's see if it spots. No. No. Okay. Wait. Is this true? I'm a spider. We are spiders. Spider. Spider-Man. Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. He's Spider-Man. He's Spider-Man. Spider-Man's gonna lose some limbs. Oh, that's actually perfect. You can lose limbs by making it explode. Oh, she's dead. Yeah, she's dead. 57, 55 error. Oh my god, she died. Oh, what if you stick up the back at the top? You'll survive. So like right here. I'm gonna survive. I'm gonna actually do it. No, I didn't do it. Well, you guys like my little rat? You like it? You like it? Wait, I just did magic. So I'm zooming in, and then I zoom out. Magic! No, seriously guys, this is no editing. I just zoom in and zoom out. Yee. Whoa. Okay. Okay, we got one more washing machine to do. And it's this small baby. It looks big. Whoa, it looks really big. Let's poke my head inside. Oh, didn't need to. Whoa, that's big. That's super big. What if I go ragdoll mode? Everybody's trying to... Okay, that's good, that's good. That's just gonna kick that guy out. Oh, internet's going on. Oh no, I've got my rat tail stuck. I'm through the wall. I'm poked through the wall. Wait, am I literally I'm so close to the bottom? I'm just watching all of these guys suffer, like nodding my head like yeah. He just disappeared. How long does this go for? Ow, he's standing on my head. I'm getting out of here. I lost my legs. I lost my legs. Hey. Oh, yep, I'm falling. My both legs. Oh, I'm flying. Okay, we gotta get out of here. Get out of ragdoll mode. And my and I got stuck again. How did I die? What? It's still going? Let me out. Let me out. I need to get out. Yes, I'm out. Adjust. I want to spam myself in now. Okay. So, one more washing machine. Just look at the bad internet that's happening. Not really now. Just get into this one on ragdoll mode. No, I didn't make it. But still, let's fly around like a crazy mouse on the floor like a spider again. Hope you guys... Well, I don't think this is really the end of the video. It's really short. This is a really short video, but kind of like good. Still, hope you guys had fun, and bye.